Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Audi A5. First, locate the cruise control stalk, which is typically found on the left side of your steering column. To activate the system, simply push the stalk away from you until it clicks into the on position. You will then see a green cruise control indicator light illuminate on your instrument cluster, confirming the system is ready to be set. Once the system is active, accelerate to your desired cruising speed. Then, press the button located on the end of the cruise control stalk. This action sets your current speed, and your Audi A5 will now maintain it automatically. To fine-tune your speed, you can push the stalk up or down. Each push will adjust your speed by approximately 1 mile per hour, allowing for precise control. If you need to temporarily cancel cruise control, simply pull the stalk towards you. This will disengage the system without turning it off completely. To resume your previously set speed, press the button on the end of the stalk again. Alternatively, pressing the brake pedal will also cancel the active cruise control, providing a quick way to take manual control when necessary, such as in traffic. To completely deactivate the cruise control system, push the stalk fully away from you until it clicks into the off position. The green indicator light on your dashboard will then disappear, confirming the system is no longer active. Remember, cruise control is a convenience feature, and you should always remain attentive to road conditions and be prepared to take full manual control of your vehicle at all times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.